Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads and confirming billing. This lets ads access video assets. Next, choose a single campaign goal. Video views is simplest because the goal directs bidding and placements. Once done, pick the exact video you'll promote, set a clear daily budget and bidding method like max CPV or target CPM, and select the countries and languages you want. Make sure to skip unnecessary settings. Focus on reach, bid, and asset to get ads running fast. Now you refine who sees your ad. Build audiences using custom intent keywords, affinity segments, and remarketing lists so you target people likely to watch. Then pick placements in stream for broad reach, discovery for intent-based clicks, because each affects cost and engagement differently. Once selected, create at least 2 creatives, a short hook plus a longer version, and test thumbnails and calls to action. Make sure to set frequency caps and device targeting to avoid waste. Monitor early performance and pause poor variations. You finish by optimizing watch view rate, click-through rate, average watch time, conversions, and CPA to know what's working. Once data accumulates, raise bids on high-performing audiences and pause placements or creatives with low watch time. Make sure to reallocate budget toward winners and run simple A/B tests weekly to iteratively improve results. If things go wrong, first check tracking tags, audience overlap, and whether your ad was disapproved. Fix those issues, then resume testing with smaller budgets to avoid wasting spend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.